Yo guys, you're welcome again to this channel. So let's go into GBP USD analysis. In today's video we are going to analyze GBP USD for the week. The market is closed, but let's analyze awaiting the week. So I'm going to delete this so we can start afresh. I'm going to delete all this so we can start afresh. I want to analyze GBP USD, what I've seen on GBP USD and what I'm looking into for the week. So this is GBP USD and we are on the 1 day time frame. So I'll be starting from the 1 day time frame right here. As you can see, I'm going to delete this stuff, all this. I'm going to clear everything so we can start afresh. Okay, so the chart is clear. So what we are going to do now, we are going to analyze GBP USD. Let's see what we have for the week. So let's start from this. I trade break and retest strategies. Break and retest is my strategies which I use in trading. So here, what I'm seeing here, right here, is this is an uptrend. If you agree with me, I'll start from this previous low. This previous low you can see here. So that will make me to know if the market is still on an uptrend or it has broken the uptrend. So you can see that it has broken this trend line. And what does it mean that it has broken the trend line? So this market breaking this trend line right here is telling me that we want to change a trend. So, and if we want to change the trend from this downtrend and we are in a very massive uptrend, I can't just jump into it and trade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw another line from here. So this line here is my resistance line. Here, this one you can see. So I'll make this one to be green. I'll make this one green. So, and I'll make this one red. So the red is the resistance line. So we are going to write this one as, let's take the arrow. This uptrend. Let's write it. This uptrend. So this uptrend, we all agree to that. Fine. So if we agree to that, what's the next thing? So as you can see here, you can see here this resistance line. As you can see on this resistance line, we just broke this resistance line. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see. So we are on the one day time frame. So every candle you see here is happening for a day. So it's not something that is 30 minutes break and retest. So you can see there is a break here. Here is the break, and if you can see clear, this is the retest of the break. The market come back here to retest. If you can see, this is the retest. So this zone, I'm going to write a retest zone here. I'm going to write it to be a retest zone. This is a retest zone. And on this retest zone, you saw what happened. It forms and GBP formed the price on the GBP formed a double bottom. So retest zone slash retest zone. Let me put and double bottom. So this is what just happened here. So this break, you can see this this my resistance trend line. Resistance trend line. Trend line break. So this trend line is break, has broken here. This is the break. You can see here, this is the break, and this is the retest. It has retest on this trend line. Not only retest as it's done, so it has formed a double bottom also. And a double bottom, what does a double bottom mean? Signifies a double bottom signifies a reversal. You understand? A double bottom signifies a reversal back up. So here is a reversal back up to the upside. You can see. So what I'm expecting here is the market is the price of the GBP USD to push back up. So this is what I'm expecting right here, the market to push back up. So I'm expecting this to happen, and screenshot this. So I'm expecting this to happen right here on GBP USD. So this is the analysis. This is the analysis. There is nothing more, and this is on the daily. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we will still see same things. We'll see the same thing happening here. This is the trend line we just saw. This is the trend line. But on the bigger picture, we want to analyze from the bigger picture. So once you come down to the smaller picture, it's as if we have known the direction of the market. So the direction of GBP USD is uptrend. It's going to the up. So in uptrend, we can't try to buy. You know, that's, you are going against the market. So what you are going to, in an uptrend, sorry, we can't afford to sell because we are going against the trend. In an uptrend, we have to sell. In a downtrend, we have to sell. In an uptrend, we have to buy. In a downtrend, we have to sell. So we are in an uptrend right now. So on this retest, this is where I'm going to buy from, and on this double bottom. So these are the confirmations which I have seen on GBP USD before I'm trying to buy, and I want to show you another clear confirmation and where we'll take our entry from. So that's what I want to show you right here. So let's go. I'll be showing you that on the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, let's see a channel form. There's a channel that's formed here. So let's see what's going on here. Let's see together what I've seen. So as you can see, this is a falling wedge, and what a falling wedge means is that the price is, if once it breaks the falling wedge, is going to go up. So that's another confirmation, a falling wedge on the 1-hour time frame. So coming to retest on this zone, on this break also, it's also a break and retest that will give me a clear signal of entry. So that's another confirmation which we are seeing here. So you can see, so let me show you here. So after this break, you come back to retest on this zone, then going to make a new high. So it's going to make a new high. So this is what I'm waiting for, retest on this zone, then I buy immediately. So what am I still up to? So let's check our Fibonacci level. Let's see what's going on our Fibonacci. So on our Fibonacci, let's go. So on the Fibonacci, we can see it's almost close to the 50%, and all the reversal, almost all my reversals, they happen at the 50% to 78%. So this zone, the most happened on this zone right here, which you can see. So what should I do here? I'll be placing a buy position from this zone to a new high. I'll be putting it at this zone, and my SL will be below this. SL will be below this. So this is it. This is another confirmation. So this is what I'll be waiting for to buy the GBP USD for the week. This is what we'll be waiting for the week, to buy GBP USD. So we can write down our confirmation which we have seen. So it will make us be confident. It will make us to be confident in what we are doing. The first one from the 1-day time frame. So daily, from the daily time frame, what do we see? We saw a break. We saw a break and retest. We saw a break and retest. We saw a break and retest on the daily. That's the first confirmation. So the second confirmation is uptrend. That's our trend. The trend in the market of the trend in GBP. Uptrend. What can we see again? A falling wedge on the 1-hour. A falling wedge on the 1-hour. So the market is breaking now, and it is going to retest to go back there. So this is also we saw a double bottom both both on daily and 4 hour. So this is the 4 confirmation, and we also see that our fib level. Fib is the market is close to our fib level. Fib level 50%. It's at our fib level 50%. And if we go close again, we'll see that it's on the psychological level. My mouse is not. Sorry, excuse. Okay, so it's working now. So on the we are also in on a psychological level, as I can see here. So let me check. Let me check this out. Let me check the psychological level. Okay, so this is also a psychological level 2.5. No, I'll get that from the 4 hour. Okay, 2.5 500. 2.5 600. Okay, so I'll leave it just here. I'll leave it just here. So this, with this 1 2 3 4 5 confirmation, I'll be buying GBP USD. So this is all I've come to show you in this video. Thank you for staying by, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop a video you get notified. Thank you for staying by. Peace.